Assalamu alaikum, Dr. Zakir Naik. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Pritam Das from Kolkata, 32 years old. I am a reverted Muslim. I was raised in a Hindu family. I accepted Islam in 2014 on my own. I also need a certificate. Alhamdulillah, I am a proud practicing Muslim for last 10 years. I have been raised in Kolkata. I have been propagating Islam for last 10 years on all my social media platforms. Dr. Sahib, I am 80% physically challenged. Neither I can walk nor can I stand on my feet. I have completed the whole Quran Sharif thrice and the fourth time is going on, Alhamdulillah. Dr. Sahib, they sent police to my house on 21st December 2022 and literally stole my phone without my consent. Alhamdulillah, they found nothing and returned it the next time. It has strengthened my iman even more. Alhamdulillah, I was to contact you, Dr. Sahib, for my certificate. I am from Kolkata. Can you